Wow, great obedience. As e dey pain them, e go dey sweet us. As e dey sweet us, e go dey pain them. As e dey pain them, we go dey plenty. As we dey plenty, e go dey pain them. Wow, must see what happened in Jos. That was just testing the microphone. P2B was just invited by Middle Belt to to show their support for his candidacy. It wasn't even a prepared campaign, and people are talking. Hmm? Look, let me tell you, this election is not going to be business as usual. Even those underrating Obidients, that's at your peril, because it's just written on the wall all over Nigeria that P2B is the next Nigerian president, whether you like it or not, and because he's the most credible, and Nigerians love him. Hmm? Obedience, keep it up.